Greetings everyone, I'm Priyanka and we are going to revise today the important questions and answers of the play The Proposal written by Anton Chekhov, and this has been taken from your book First Flight. So the types of questions, as usual, there are three types of questions asked, and first one is MCQs and 1 mark each, which we are not discussing in this video, and then short answer type questions, 2 or 3 markers, which you answer in 30 to 40 words. The next category is of long answer type questions. You answer in 100 to 120 words, and you get 5 or 6 marks to write these answers. So first we'll be dealing with the short answer type questions. So first question is, what is the point of controversy between Natalia and Lomov, and what argument does Lomov put to prove his point? इन दोनों में ये नतालिया और लोमोव, ये कौन थे? नतालिया शुबुकोव की डॉटर हैं, and these people are neighbors, and Lomov had come to Shubukov to ask for Natalia's hand because he wanted to marry this girl. He was a 35-year man and he wanted to get married to this 25-year-old named Natalia. And what argument does Lomov put to prove this point? We have two parts in this question and we'll be answering both the parts. So first part ये है कि they had this controversy over ownership of the Oxen Meadows, कि Oxen Meadows जो है कोई एक piece of land है, उसका actual owner कौन है? Lomov argues that his aunt's grandmother had given the free use of the meadows to the peasants of Natalia's father's grandfather for 40 years. ये लोमोव का आर्ग्यूमेंट था कि जो उसकी आंट हैं जिनके साथ वो रहता है, उनकी ग्रैंड मदर ने ये लैंड किसे दिया हुआ था? ये मेडो नतालिया के फादर शुबुकोव के ग्रैंड फादर को 40 इयर्स के लिए दिया हुआ था टू यूज. और उसके बदले में क्या था कि उनके जो पेजेंट्स थे, दे वर सपोज टू मेक ब्रिक्स फॉर द ओल्ड लेडी. बट ग्रेजुअली व्हाट हैड हैपेंड ओवर द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम, these people had started believing that this land belonged to them. This was the matter of controversy. Now, what is the ailment that Lomov is suffering from? Lomov को क्या physical issue है, क्या medical problems हैं? तो पहला है कि he is hypochondriac. Hypochondriac is a person who is always scared. उसको हमेशा डर लगा होता है कि something has happened to him. उसे कोई ऐसी बीमारी है जो treat नहीं हो सकती, and he was very nervous also. He always complained of weak heart, insomnia मतलब नींद ना आना, strange types of aches and palpitation, numbness of limbs मतलब सुन्न हो जाना body parts का. He also complained of heart collapse during the play itself. When you read the play, you find once or twice he complains this also. And he always considers him to be weak and helpless and needs sympathy of other people. Then next question is, who is Lomov and why does he visit शुबुकोव? लोमोव कौन है और वो शुबुकोव को क्यों विजिट करता है? So Lomov actually is a landowner and he is 35-year-old and he is Shubukov's neighbor as well, and he is a very rich bachelor and he wanted to marry Shubukov's daughter. That is why he had come to Shubukov's house. Now we reach to the long answer type questions and you will be answering them in 100 to 120 words each. So first one is, जब भी प्ले डिस्कस होता है तो सबसे पहले क्या आता है? कैरेक्टर स्केचेस. ओके, तो हम पहले वन बाय वन तीनों कैरेक्टर्स के कैरेक्टर स्केच डिस्कस करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव नतालिया स्टेपनोवना. सो कीवर्ड्स वी हैव, आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी कैरेक्टर स्केच. व्हेन वी आर टोल्ड टू राइट द कैरेक्टर स्केच ऑफ नतालिया, तो हम लिखेंगे शी वाज ओनली डॉटर ऑफ स्टीफन स्टेपनोविच शुबुकोव. शुबुकोव जो बार बार शुबुकोव नाम आ रहा है वो उनकी बेटी है, and she is 25 years old and she is a well educated woman and can serve as a good housewife also. ये लोमोव ने खुद ने कहा था कि she can be proved to be a very good housewife, and she possesses all the good traits of head and heart. Head and heart मतलब intelligent भी है और heart से भी वो अच्छी है, and much attracted to her household belongings. And she is very attracted to her household belongings. If you remember when Lomov had come to her house, then she was working with the peas. तभी भी उसने apron पहन रखा था and she was doing some household work itself. And she's lovesick also in the end when it is revealed to her कि वो तो marriage के लिए propose करने आया था proposal लेके. Then she shows that she's actually lovesick. She starts feeling bad. She starts crying and requests her father to go and call him. and she softens and asks her father to call back Lomov. So इतना सारा argument होने के बावजूद भी she softens and she is forcing her father to call back Lomov. Now we come to the character sketch of Ivan Vasilievich Lomov. Lomov का character sketch. He is very quarrelsome in nature, okay, and he continuously forgets his stated intention कि वो किस लिए आया है, वो क्या कहना चाह रहा है, वो हमेशा इसको भूल जाता है, okay. Next point will be he is very self-centered and argumentative. हमेशा अपने बारे में सोचता है, argumentative है, and he talked of nothing but his own poor health. हमेशा यही बात करता था, मुझे ये issue है, मुझे वो issue है. He kept on talking about this and a petty dispute over a piece of land, and he fought for the piece of land also, and later on about a dog also. And he falls into another argument. जब ये the issue of land was resolved when Natalia comes to know that he had come to propose her. Okay, जब भी उसको पता चलता है, then she agrees कि okay, fine, you take this piece of land. Matter was resolved. Then suddenly they start over fighting for the dogs, their hunter dogs. कि whose dog is better. He becomes so irate over the topic that he collapses and appears to be dead. इतना वो dogs का जो issue चल रहा होता है end में, वो इस पे इतना ज़्यादा agitated हो जाता है कि वो collapse करता है और गिर पड़ता है. After he is revived, he has to be reminded of his original intention. जब इसको consciousness आती है तो फिर उसे वो भूल जाता है कि actually वो क्यों आया हुआ था. So remind करना पड़ता है कि वो इसलिए आया था. He appears as a shallow and foolish person. He is egoistical in character and he takes all the arguments seriously. चाहे कोई बड़ा argument हो या छोटा argument हो, वो उसको हमेशा seriously ही लेता है. Now we come to the character sketch of Shubukov. So Shubukov as well is a owner like Lomov, and he is desperate for his 25-year-old daughter Natalia's marriage. वो चाहता है कि इसकी शादी हो जाए. Even in the middle of the play also, when Natalia requests him to call Lomov back, then he is telling that it is really very difficult to be the father of a grown-up girl. वो बोलता है, and he pretended to be calm, a good neighbor, a polite person. वो जब भी Lomov आता है तो though inside he is not liking this person, then also he is acting his best to show that I am happy and I'm a good neighbor, I'm a polite person. He never missed a chance to argue or quarrel. ये भी Lomov की तरह ही loved arguing, loved quarreling, and he was happy to know Lomov's intention because he also, this person Shubukov, he also wanted his daughter Natalia to get married. और जब भी सामने से रिश्ता आ रहा तो he became really very happy when he comes to know Lomov's intention that he wants to marry Natalia. वो बहुत ही खुश हो जाता है. And he does not waste time to fix marriage. He accepts the marriage the moment Lomov is telling that for what he had come there. Even in the end also, when Lomov comes back to his consciousness, तो फटाफट वो शादी कराता है जिससे कि ये बात फिर से Lomov भूल ना जाए. Desperate to get good match for his daughter. Good match कैसे? Because Lomov was a rich bachelor and he runs after his sake. और वो उसके पीछे पड़ जाता है कि ये शादी हो जाए और जो भी उसके मन में बात आती है, he wants to do it for sure. Who? Shubukov. Now next question, neighbors must have a cordial relationship with which Lomov and Natalia do not have. Describe the first fight between them. Neighbors को हमेशा एक अच्छा relation रखना चाहिए, but Natalia और Lomov का नहीं है. We have to prove this. So anger and arguments can easily ruin a relationship. Arguments can easily ruin a relationship. Anger और argument भी उसमें भी बहुत easily किसी भी relationship को खत्म कर सकते हैं. Arguments over unimportant thing extremely harmful. जब हम unimportant चीजों पे argument करते हैं, they are very very harmful because here not only we are wasting our energy but we are wasting our time also and we are spoiling our relations. हम अपने relations खराब कर रहे होते हैं अपने neighbor से and we are spoiling our time as well. And what we have to do, we have to set up priorities with our neighbors. कि what is my priority? My priority is a good relationship or this argumentation all the time. हमेशा ये झगड़े बने रहे neighbors के साथ या फिर cordial relation रहे. तो if we want cordial relation, so sometimes arguments over petty issues we have to try to avoid. And yeah, this point came again here. We should try to ignore the unimportant issues. जो issues important नहीं है वो हमें ignore करने चाहिए. We should be ready to forgive and forget. ये एक मूल मंत्र है इस lesson का, that we should be ready to forgive and forget. We should try to save our energy for other fruitful work, because fighting, arguing isn't a fruitful thing. So we should try to save our energy for fruitful work. We want positive qualities, not negatives. होता क्या है, because this is human nature that we only want to see positive side of people, not negatives. And when we see the negative side of any person, then we start hating that person, and this takes us towards the argument. Jabki a single person has the positive side also and negative side also, so we have to try to maintain a balance between these two things. And it is really very difficult to find a person who is having all the positive qualities, जिसमें कोई negative quality हो ही ना, ऐसा होना next to impossible है. So we have to manage this with our family members also and neighbors as well. That was all for this lesson.